Hey guys, today we have a 2017 Lexus RX350. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light in this vehicle. It's pretty easy, so let's go ahead and get it done. So let's go ahead and start by pressing the start button twice. That'll put the vehicle on the on position. You can see here it says, there's a message that says the hood is open. Just ignore that. I do have the hood open. So let's go ahead and press the back button to clear these messages. Okay. So now we want to go ahead and get to the right side of the menu here. So we want to go ahead and press the right button on the steering wheel. So let's go ahead and go to right there, messages. It says maintenance required. Let's go ahead and go one more time. And you'll see that there's like a little sprocket here at the top. That's the menu you want to go to. So now we're going to press the down arrow on the steering wheel. And we want to go to vehicle settings. Hopefully you can see it, it's not too blurry. It says vehicle settings right there. And then press the center button on the steering wheel here, this one here, to select it. And then we're going to go ahead and do the oil maintenance. And then select yes. So it's been reset. And then now we're going to go back and do the same thing for scheduled maintenance, which is right there in the top. And select yes, and it's been reset. Now if you did have the tire monitor light on and your tires were checked, you want to go ahead and reset also the TPMS, and then that will reset your tire monitors, but I'm not going to do it just yet. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you next time. Take care.